Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and I hope you guys are all doing well. So I wanted to show you what we picked up at the TNT stand for our 4th of July, for fireworks for tomorrow. So yeah, it's always interesting to see what's in different firework boxes, there's different sizes you can get and different things. Usually we've never bought a box. Okay. So it's our first year buying a box, and, normally we just buy like a la carte items, just separated pieces. We never bought a box. So I'm going to go ahead and tell you how much it was, and then I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what's inside so that you guys can see what this particular box has to offer. So, what was I going to say? I was going to tell you, this retails for $110. Okay. I'll go ahead and zoom in a little bit more. And if you go to TNT, where is it at right there? There's a little glare. Sorry. TNTfireworks.com. There's actually a $20 off coupon, so that you can use to apply on this. So we bought this retailed for $110, and then it was $20 off. So with tax, it came to $98 after we used the coupon. And they also asked how many kids we had, and we have 4. So they gave us, it was really sweet, they gave us 4 additional poppets. So that didn't cost us anything for these. So those are always super fun, to do. Now, this does not come with sparklers. We didn't know that. So we're actually going to have to go back and hopefully find sparklers. I know sparklers sell out really, really fast during 4th of July, before actually 4th of July. So we may not be able to get them. I'm hoping we do. But I just want to let you know, this does not have actual sparklers, the sparklers that So anyway, so I'm going to pause the camera for a second so I can open up this box, and then I'll go ahead and give you a tour inside the box and show you what's in the box. Oh, I also want to show you the side of the box, and also the, they have a cute little celebrate safely and responsibly, and it just tells you, a little thing about that, about celebrating safely. Now, and then this is just the side of the box, recommended, or what does it say? There's just notes on these boxes. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, and I will be right back so I can show you inside the box. So here is okay, now we're getting ready to open this box. So it has 49 pieces, it says. So let's go ahead and see what's inside for $110, right? Before the coupon. Okay, let's go ahead and see. It's nicely packaged with this, box. Okay, so the first, oh, wow. Wow. Okay, so you guys, there's 49 pieces in here. My goodness gracious. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's take this one out first. Okay, this one is grabbing my attention. All right, so you get the Blazing Rebel, TNT Blazing Rebel, and I don't know. Oh, it says emits showers of sparks. And my husband will be lighting all these because, as you guys know, I have a little tiny fear of fire. So he'll be lighting these up for me, and I'll just be standing back at a safe distance because these kind of things, fireworks make me nervous no matter what. So this is the outbox. I don't know what these individually retail for. So this, again, it's a big daddy size. It's huge. Yeah, it's a big one. And then this one these are all pretty big fireworks if you think about it. I mean, they're pretty big size. I mean, we, like I said, have never bought a box like this. This is global lights. So this is exciting. This will keep us busy for a while tomorrow. This is dancing sombreros. That looks like it'd be fun. I have no idea what this does. Oh, colorful. There it is. Colorful sparks and rain with crackle and flowers. So, and it's got all the caution things on there and everything like that. And the next one is Pyro Fire. Whoa, Pyro Fire. Okay, there's like a dragon there. This one, performance. Beautiful golden crackle. Okay. So there it is, the fuse on the top. And yeah. The next thing there is Combustion Chamber. This thing is huge. This is like the size of like a paint can, or, you know, not a paint can, but, oh, I don't know how big this is. Okay, now, who could read that? That is like really misprinted there. That's like double printed on top of a print. That is so funny. Okay, I think I can make out what that says. But anyway, they had a little bit of a printing problem there. I could see that. Performance. Red torch with colorful sparks and crackle flowers again. So this one has a red torch and colorful sparks and crackle flowers. Combustion chamber. Okay. So you get quite a bit in here, you guys, like a lot. So this one's called the Starfire Tnt, and this one emits showers of sparks. So it looks like it's just going to performance. Here we go again. That's nice that they tell you what it does. White sorry, I can't say that word. White, glittering, and crackles. So like maybe like glittery looking. I don't know. Oh, it also has a breakdown here. This is like a really nicely packaged box. They do break down even in here exactly what you get. And they gave us the lighter things. And then also you get lightning flash, which I'm not sure what that does. Let's see, bright flashing strobe effect. Oh yeah, okay. So that one, and you get 6 pieces in there. The next one is a Pyro Fan. Okay, this one, Pyro Fan. It sounds a little scary. This is colorful crackle and sparks. So there's like a little picture of what it does there. And lightning flash. This is another one with a bright flashing strobe effect. Then we get a rain dance, and never have seen this one before. Now, what does this guy do? This one doesn't say. This one doesn't say exactly what it does, but okay. Rose blossom. This one is, see, these are pretty big size fireworks too. Again, this guy doesn't say exactly what it does. Now we have a lightning flash over here. So 6 piece again. And this says, yeah, it doesn't say either. So you get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you know, in this box. This one is going to be very pretty. This is, I think, those ones that just, I'm not quite sure what these are called. They're fountains. That's it. They're fountains. That's right. Okay, so there's 7-inch fountains, assorted ones. There's 4 pieces in there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So we're going to be doing fireworks for a pretty long time tomorrow, you know. This is a flashing fountain. That's fun. And this one, it emits showers of sparks. So we got that. And this one is Trojan Warrior. And what does this guy do? Okay, why is it like kind of coming off there? That makes me a little nervous. I will be very carefully handling this one. You see how it's kind of like off that center there, off the stand. This one is, it doesn't say what this one does either. The next one is the Mortar Fire, and this one does white, glittering, and crackles. And then we have the Mini-Me fountain. It's called a Mini-Me, and it looks like it's just like another fountain of some sort. Mini-Me fountain, and it has like little stands it's on, and you get 2 pieces in there. So lots and lots to look at here. And then you get, last piece is the lightning flash again. So you get like 4 of the lightning flashes. See how I get 1, 2. This one looks a little different. And then number 4. So yeah, you guys. So again, that is a lot for, I would say, for, you know, $98 after the coupon. And this will keep us busy for a while on 4th of July. And again, it has that nice reminder. You know, that's nice that they add all that in there too. So yeah, and then, like I said, we got everything. So yeah, that is it. I wanted to go ahead and just give you guys a tour of this box. Again, the name of this box is called The Perfect Show. And yes, so anyway, with that being said, I hope you enjoyed seeing this little video of the TNT fireworks. And again, remember to get that coupon from tntfireworks.com for that $20 off. So yes, so that being said, thank you guys so much for being here. And I will be back soon with my next haul. All right, guys, take care. See you soon. Bye.